I need to get to the airport for my flight, but I am not sure what is the best way to get there. Should I take a bus?
Why don't you order an Uber? It is much easier than the bus, especially with your bags. Also, you will see the exact price up front before you book it.
I have never used the app before. Is it complicated to set up?
Not at all. Just download the app and enter your destination. You will see different car options and the fare for each one. Plus, you can track the driver's location in real time.
Okay, let me try. I am typing in Airport Terminal 2 as my destination. Wow, it is showing me three different options. UberX for £35, Comfort for £42, and Uber XL for £50.
UberX is the standard option, and it is fine for one person with regular luggage. If you have a lot of very large suitcases, you might need an Uber XL.
I only have one large suitcase and a backpack, so I think UberX is perfect. The app says the driver will arrive in only 4 minutes.
That is very fast. Does it show you the car details? It is important to check them for safety.
Yes, the driver's name is James. He has a 4.9-star rating, and he is driving a blue Toyota Camry. The app even shows his license plate number.
Great. Now look at the map in the app. It shows a specific pickup point. You should wait exactly there so the driver can find you easily.
Oh, I see. It says I should meet him at the main entrance of the building. I will go there right now.
Good idea. And don't worry about the payment. The app will charge your credit card automatically after the trip is finished. You don't need to use any cash.
This is so convenient. I can even see the blue car moving on the map right now. He is just 2 blocks away.
See? It is very simple. Have a safe flight and a great trip.
Thank you so much for your help. I feel much less stressed now.